to hit Vietnam. We are. Pinpoint our location.
Blow up in the middle of Da Nang, Vietnam. It's kind of cool. It's New Year's Eve. Happy New Year! We're in Vietnam and there's a big blow up Earth. Is anyone else like not super fascinated by this? This is really cool. Anyway, I'm in my Vietnamese traditional wear for New Year's. This is the dress. Got it made out here for like $12 or something. Like. They have this walking street in Vietnam. We're gonna link up with some friends at a cafe for the countdown, but before then we thought let's check out the walking street, see what little cutesy activities are going on for New Year's Eve. So I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch. I New Year 2026, may good things find you. I'm not long as you joking now. There's like a real life chess game going on. If you joking now for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your bodies.
Writing for your wish.
Okay, thank you. About me. So we write a wish and then we put it on the wall, on the 2026 wall. So I'm gonna write my wish.
Ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now.
It's like a walking street of like activities and stuff where they shut off the road and they have all this stuff going on, I suppose.
Truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment?
People have been asking to take photos with us left, right and center. It doesn't usually happen that much out here though.
Nah, not really.
I feel like tonight is abnormally a lot. I'm like cool with it as long as they ask respectfully. Like some people definitely just be taking pictures on the low and I'll tell them about themselves. But if you ask nicely and I'm in a good mood, then all right, let's take a photo together. I get it. You don't see black people often. Let's wrap it up.
You just too important. Nobody like you do.
26. Watch out.
When I'm with you, I can just snooze and miss the moment.
Finish with the shenanigans of walking around the city. This is our New Year's plans, basically. I'm at this little cafe and we kind of booked out this section of this cafe. It has a cute view of the river. I'm not sure what the fireworks situation is gonna be for today, but if there are fireworks, at the very least, we can get a peek of it at 12.
Ain't nobody like you.
And it's just a small group of us coming and celebrating the New Year together. So I think we were just all on the vibe of I don't want to go out and party, I don't want to be in the crowds, I just want to chill, food, drinks and good company. Do you know what I mean? So
in a drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the baba.
Happy New Year! Y'all should already know Leia by now. If you don't, check her out.
How are you?
Yeah.
I'll be your main one. This takes this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm How can I snooze and miss the moment you
Happy New Year!
doing, boy? Nobody do
2 minutes left. 2-minute countdown.
like you do.
Everybody, see you next year.
See you next year.
3, 2, 1.
I snooze and miss the moment you just doing, boy. Nobody do like you do.
365 days left.
Morning guys, happy new year. It is the 1st of January. Up bright and early because we're heading out for the day. But 2 takeaways from yesterday. 2 friends gave me handwritten notes. And honestly, bring back the art of handwritten notes. I am so inspired. I'm like, I want to write more handwritten notes, especially on travels and stuff. feel like it's a nice way to stay connected with everyone. My second takeaway is that Vietnam is so chill. Literally, where we were for New Year's yesterday was just a cafe. We had a section to ourselves and there was no like down payment. There was no like minimum spend, but they were like, yeah, you can order food in, you can bring games in. That's what it's about. People, connection. You know, capitalism will be the death of us because everybody wants to pay for commodity and community. But in Vietnam and East Asia, they really promote community. And so it's just so refreshing that I don't have to pay an arm and a leg to just sit around with people and celebrate the new year. Do you know what I mean? Anyways, hey guys, just closing out the vlog. Thanks for watching. It's the 1st of January, day after New Year's. I'm currently in Banana Hills. I'll save that for the next vlog, stay tuned. But thank you if you got this far, appreciate you. Like, comment and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy New Year! Bye!